Come on to my homies. Today let me show you our conductive glowing letters. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get latest tips and tricks to glow in your business. On this transparent board, these letters can fit up without wires. You can't see a single wire when looking at the front and back. Simple and beautiful. The front and back of these letters are glowing effects. The shape and size can be designed according to your requirements. Wouldn't it be beautiful and eye-catching to hanging in your shop, man? No matter what your business is, I believe the lcsign can help you, because not every sign factory will have such a wealth of exhibition experience and such a complete supply chain. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment below. Thank you for your watching. See ya next time and follow lcsign.